I don't want to catch anything on fire.
Man, I dipped like 4 times, but hey, we got it. Yep, I'd say it's officially part of the car now. It's on there pretty much for good. Yeah, I'd say for good. This ain't coming off. It's a little wavy there. I could fix that. I think I may. Let's take a look at what we got. Brake line that's in the way. Right here is going to be interesting because we have those holes, so I may make another plate that goes above this. But this is going to have to come down. I don't even know, man. Jeez. Okay. I'll figure out what I'm going to do and then report back.
dead. My body hurts. I'm exhausted. But we got about 75% of the frame rail repaired, which means, well, actually, I'd say more than 75%. I'd say we're about 80 to 85% done, because we have about 6 inches, maybe 10-ish left to weld to complete all the way around the U-channel that I made. Created the U-channel, did the measurements, mocked it up, tacked it in place, did the outer side, that's all done. Did the undersides, the sides that actually face the road, those were pretty hard to do because I was literally welding upside down. Upside down. We got about 10 inches of the inner side done, and that's just a nightmare because you're next to the brake line. I had to bend one of the brake lines out of the way. I still have like 2 corners and the very holy Swiss cheese-like spot to do left, and I may have to make a plate to go over that. But I'm also thinking I may be able to just blob some filler rod on it and grind it, and it will be okay. But I'm exhausted, so we're gonna pick this up tomorrow. You'll probably see this online tonight-ish, and based on YouTube's algorithms, you might see it tomorrow, which will be Tuesday. So by the time you see this may already be done, but you know, we'll see. More to follow.